Hello everyone, Vlad is here, and today I'm gonna talk to you about one of my most favorite products, leather panels. If you like to do the things on your own, this is a really dream come true product. It's very easy to install, and now we're gonna demonstrate you how to do that. Now, first I want to explain a bit more about the product and what it's made of. This is a little crosscut, by the way, made by miter saw. As you can see, very nice and smooth finish. Very nice and smooth cut, I mean. It can also, by the way, it can also be cut by regular utility knife. It will be a bit difficult for you to make same quality cut, but still can be done. Now it's made of, as you can see here on the cross cut, it's made of solid backboard, polyurethane foam filler, and the leather, artificial leather on top. Now some of the panels decorated with mirrors or crystals, some of them come without anything. Now, why it's so easy to install? Because the tile has a solid backboard, it can be installed on pretty much any plain, smooth, solid surface. It can be installed, like as you can see here. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to install it over the unfinished drywall. It can be installed over the plywood, over the concrete. Again, pretty much any plain, solid surface. Now, there is two ways to install it. One of them, if you use the construction adhesive, it can be PL, normal nails, power grab, liquid nails, pretty much any construction adhesive will work. One thing to keep in mind, if you use the construction adhesive, it's good for the permanent installations. I mean, if you know the tiles will stay there, it's a good way to go. Now, you need to keep in mind, if you want to remove the panels sometimes down the road, it's going to be very, very difficult. You're going to destroy the panels. And in case of a drywall, you're going to do quite extensive damage to the wall itself. There is another way, and this is my favorite one. I use the hot glue gun. Now, why I like to work with it, it's basically the hot glue works like a nails. As soon as you put it up, it stays right away, it grabs immediately. And the best thing is if you decide to replace the panels later on, remove them, put them somewhere else, you can always do that. It will not damage the wall as bad as the construction adhesive. It will obviously tear the wallpaper, till the paper of outer side of the drywall. It will tear the paper off, but still it's repairable. It's very easy to fix it. And for the panels itself, it will not make any damage. You get the glue, the hot glue. You'll be able to peel it off and reapply the panel as is. It will not show any signs of previous use. Now I'm going to demonstrate you how to install the panels with a hot glue. So take the panel and I used here 5 dots of glue, 1 in the middle, 4 in the corners. It's very important, don't place the glue very close to the edge because it may squeeze out. You don't want that. So leave enough space for glue to spread. That's it, panel is in the place. I'm gonna take another panel, do exactly the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Panel number 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, as you can see, in little more than a minute, I installed almost 7 square feet. I can obviously continue on and on. The tiles, as you can see, they simply butt joined. All the panels, all the edges, outside edges of the panel, they pre-finished. So you see the same leather goes all around. Means when you butt join them, there is nothing to do with the joint. You just leave it as is. You butt join them, and you have a nice, perfectly finished seam. Now, you don't even have to put a frame around. Once you decide like how big of a installation you're gonna make, you don't have to put a frame. It's an option. Obviously, you can do that. You can use the wood molding, you can use even a picture frame, anything. But what I'm trying to say is you can also leave it unfinished. It will look very nice. And this is it. I hope you like the video. Leave your comments. If you have any questions, you can always call us 1-888-717-8453, and hope to see you again. Thank you and bye.